Hello everyone, I represent Olabams Creations and today I want to show you how I made this beautiful 180 degrees flare skirt. If this is what you would like to learn, kindly stay to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. To be able to cut this half circle skirt, we need to determine the radius of the circle, and to calculate our radius we'll be dividing the total circumference by 3.142 since it's an half circle. Our waist is 27. I'll be adding 2-inch zipper allowance to it, so 27 plus 2 inches will give me 29. I'll divide 29 by 3.142. That gave me 9.2. That's 3.142 is pi, is a constant. From our calculation, my radius is 9.2, which is approximately 9 inches. My skirt length is 35 inches. I will add 1 inch to fold at the hem. That gives me 36. 36 plus 9 inches will give me 45 inches. You know, my band length is 2 inches, so I will subtract that band length of 2 inches from that 45. That will give me a total of 43 inches. So I will be measuring 43 inches twice. You might be wondering why I didn't add seam allowance that I will use to join my skirt at the upper part to the band. Just stay with me to the end and you will see it. So what I did was to cut 44 inches twice. This is it. I folded it along the yardage. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold on bias. Here is the folded edge. Here are the open edges. Then I folded over like this. Remember when we subtracted our band length of 2 inches from our skirt length and we added 1 inch folding allowance at the hem? We had a total of 43 inches. So after folding on bias, I will measure 43 inches round. And the reason why I'm using a thick chalk is because I want you to really see what I'm doing. I've measured that 43 all round. I'll connect the dot. I'll now cut it out. My radius is 9.2 inches, so I'll be measuring 9.2 inches all round. That's 9 1/4. So this is 9.2 inches. You remember I told you I'm not going to be adding the joining allowance to the band here. So what I will just do after measuring that 9.2, I'll just go up by around half an inch. That's the half an inch that I'm going to be using to join it to the band. The reason I had to do this is, if I didn't go up by half an inch, by the time I want to join, that means the point of joining will be around this area. Then the circumference would have increased. But you know, I want the circumference to be on this spot. So by the time I go up by half an inch, by the time I join it, the point of joining will be on my desired point. So I'm going to be cutting this. I'll put a notch on the center. Look at our half circle skirt. You can see that it's not looking bad anyway. And let's measure what we have here. Even despite the fact that we went up, we still have about 30 inches for our circumference, which is more than enough. So we are going to be notching the zipper allowance. This is our zipper allowance. We just sew it down. You can see how full and flowing the skirt is. Let me take it to the sewing machine. Add the zipper. and put the band, and you will see the outcome on the wearer.